ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే వెంకట
Yeah. Okay. First of all, what is the purpose of the OTBI? What is the advantage? What is the disadvantage of the OTBI sections? First, I'll explain that. OTBI is the how to create an analysis. First, OTBI report, difference between the BAP report and OTBI report. BAP reports select the required columns and layout run the output. Layout means RTF layout, RTF Excel template, or else generally we can, which is a default layout is there, we can get it. We can take it and run the report output. OTBI report subject area. This is a subject area. This is a go to taskbar. Click on the tools and report. Click on the report analytics. And browse catalog. Here, two models is there. This is the analysis part of the thing. This is a BAP report part. So today I'll explain to the, this is the analysis report. Click on the analysis. Here we can call as a subject area. Subject area. Okay, this is the subject area means free defender from the Oracle team. Oracle from the Oracle team only. So we cannot modify this subject area. We cannot delete this subject area. Whatever is there, we can use it. That's all. There is nothing at all. Okay. And here, that's the main common thing. And the advantage is the basically, while the functional people, they cannot, without knowing the SQL code, we can develop the report. But BAP reports mandatory for the SQL code. And most probably disadvantage is there. OTBI report. We cannot create a custom report. Okay. Custom report. Do you know what is the custom reports? Means whatever the subject area is available only, by default is a data is a default columns is available. But some of the cases, application side, they can create the own extra columns like attribute, DFF, descriptive fixed field. Okay, that field cannot available the OTBI reports. So, but that is called a customization reports. In OTBI sections, we can create whatever the subject area available data only we can take it. We cannot take it other than the data. But even though custom report in the BAP report, we can develop the custom report based on the client requirement. You got my point? So this is the disadvantage. Okay, basically. So today we can create how to create a OTBI reports. I'll show you. This is the basically subject area. Okay, so many subject area available here. Finance and supply chain management means SCM and as well as the finance tables available. Even though human capital management and PPM, project portfolio management also, 4 modules available in the subject area. But as of now, we required only finance and SCM only. 2 modules more than enough. So For example, today I will take the finances, the accounts payable thing. So what is the subject area? But you can remember the subject area. You can, okay, based on the subject areas. P, transactional, this one. Payable, invoices, transaction, real time. Always you can choose real time only. This is a click on the payable subject area. Look at here. Here business unit is there, but backend is operating unit. Okay. Here completely source, invoice number, invoice backend is a invoice number. Same. Here whatever this column is available, we can see the subject areas also, invoice number. So in payable, look at this. Yes, this is the new window of the subject area. Okay. Here whatever the outside of the data also we can get it. Like look at my folder, customer details also. This purpose we can discuss on the later. Okay. We have some purposes there. Even though BAP reports also we can call as a we can attach here in dashboard. Not this analysis report. We have some dashboard option is there. This dashboard we can attach the BAP reports also, output purpose. Okay, I'll show you. Here B unit name. Look at here, business unit. This is the business unit. Same names available in the subject areas. So you can, if you are having experience on the data loading, columns names, you can easily identify the subject areas columns also. Okay, same names available. So here, look at here. Say whatever this join condition very important. Invoice ID is there, and business unit, source, and invoice number. Here supplier name also required. What to do in the BAP report? What we do? We need to require some supplier name. So we can go for the separate table name. Okay. In subject area, we cannot go for the separate table names. Look at here. Okay. View name, its name. Simple drag and drop. Okay. Next, what to do? Invoice number. You can find out the invoice number. Look at here, invoice ID is there, invoice number also is there. Okay. Okay. Next, what to do? We have invoice number also, date also, supply name. Same invoice date. Okay. This is the invoice amount. Did you observe the thing? Different colors is available. Look at here. This is one more color. This is a different blue or orange. Do you know what is the difference between the orange and blue? Anybody can answer? What is the difference between orange? Why is the different color? Tell me. Anybody? Invoice amount. Y means we can call as a fat dimension. This is a normal dimension. We can call as a normal dimension. We can call as a fat. This symbol means this is amount, transaction related. This means general information. General information means, for example, name, invoice number. This is a view name. This is a names are general information. But this is the amount column. We can call it the fat table. Fat dimensions. This is a general information. Supplier name. This is called as a general. Completely, this is a transaction. Completely transaction related, the amount, money related thing. So, if you have the any report without the without the money relation, we cannot report look like the thing. Generally, if you went on the any hospital, any shopping mall, there's a mandatory for the we need to pay the amounts, right? So that we need to get the some invoice, report, bill kind of thing. They mention the item, quantity, and item into quantity will get it the amount. So that is the amount column required. So same report we required here. So here we can call as a fat dimensions. We can call it a fat dimensions. Okay. This is called, so invoice amount. Look at is the invoice amount. Same will be matched to the our template. Anybody did? I think previous class I explained to this about the template. We loaded the data conversion, data migration. Yes, did you remember? Which template is this one? Tell me, anybody? This is a which template is we can call as a this template name. Please tell me the template name. Balaji, Sirisha, guys. Hello. This is a payable templates. AP invoices template name. Oh, you forgot everything here. You didn't remember. No one is answering. This is a payable invoices. This is receivable. This is a AP invoices template. This is this template only. This is header. This is lines. Okay. This is header. This is the lines. This is supplier. Earlier we loaded the supply data. Did you remember anybody? Please speak out, at least one candidate. Everybody new Janice here. Oh my God. Okay. No issues. Okay. This is the template. Look, it is the same names are available subject area. If you can practice this data migration properly, you can do the simple reports, very easy to create the OTBI reports. Very sure, damn sure. Same names available in the OTBI reports also. That is subject area. So you can same column names. Look at here. Invoice ID. So invoice ID, invoice date, invoice amount. See, invoice amount. We can take it as supplier names also. Where is the yes. So minimize our information. Yes. Yes, supplier also available. This is the supplier name. This is supplier number, site. Site also available, site name. What is the supplier site? No. Yes, site. Okay. So just okay, no problem. Enough required. Okay, invoice currency not required. As of now, description more than enough. So here we can click on the result. Check it. How data will populated here. Oh, common thing. Why? Because some of the data is not available. No issues. If you don't want the column names here, delete it. Delete it. So first save our report. Invites. AP report. Okay. Save it and click on the result. Still invoice ID. So once again we can save it. No. There is no data specific criteria. Oh my God.
In the business unit only the data is coming, sir.
Other data is also.
Other
We-
data is not coming in the business unit only, the data is coming.
We need some attachment is missing and the rows missing. At least we can check it the thing. This is a problem. Test instance, we have the problem. In real-time instance, we don't have any issues. Okay. Even the single record also data. Okay. Maybe some rows are responsible missing. We can check it. Don't worry. Tomorrow we will get back to this. We'll check it the error why data is not coming. Any rows is missing. We can add it. I'll show you. Don't worry. But only I think is the BU names is coming. Yes, this is the output. Okay, single column. But as of now, this is not a good. But whatever we have the column, client is a required column. This is a required columns. This is a required column. So you can add this all the columns. But as of now, our instance is not working properly. Don't do it. But this is a process of the thing to develop the report. Okay. Even though real time, it is a very sure same process only we required. Why? Because we don't add other subject areas. Whatever the available the payable transaction, same subject area only you can use it. Why? Because less we can call as a you can use other subject, we cannot get the proper result. So if you open this subject areas, AP invoice, same every template, same names available the subject areas. Okay. So here output Excel, simple, click on the output. Yes. This is output. Almost 2000 records is there. Okay. So this is the output. And here prompt. Prompt means parameters. Do you know what is the parameters? Can tell me anybody? What is use of the parameters?
Parameters nothing but restrictions like invoice date, creation date, updation date, duration, specific criteria we need to be displayed.
To filter the data.
Yeah.
Why? Because we don't want all the data. Particular person. Okay. I'll ask one question. Anybody tell me a basic question. What is the difference between data and information? First of all, what is the difference between data and information? Anybody?
Data nothing but where we can fetch from database.
Okay.
Information nothing but person's information like person name, person details.
No, Geeta. That is a data is a completely. Anybody? This is very useful for the database. What is the different data and information? Anybody can expert?
Data is collection of facts, and information is
Gathering of
converting facts into information. I mean context.
That is a Google information, yeah. But you cannot. Okay, that is a Google facts. That is a subject, but real time. Okay, that is also good.
Information means gathering the data. We can call it as a information. Gathering of data.
Data. Data also.
Information is facts, but data is the collection of facts or informations.
Both are same, right? Why is we can call this information different, but data is different?
Data means already the data is available. Like if you are available is there, that we can call it as a data.
Okay.
Information means one who collects the data. It is called as information. We can.
Let person only collect the data. One person, we can collect the person only. Data also information. I'll explain to you. Simple answer. Data is we can call is the raw data. Raw means we cannot segregate. For example, you take the one basket, all the blue balls is there, red and white, different balls is there. That all together we can call as a data. And who needs, for example, we need a particular red balls, means that is called information. Okay, particular information. I don't want to enter the data, particularly. Simple example. You are studying the 9th class. 9th class is a class is there. How many students? Almost 60 students. We can call this all data is available. But in the who are missing the today absent means how many people is there? We need all the data, or who are we are missing the absent persons required? Tell me. Missing persons only we required. So that is called information.
So data means all the data where we, like, if it is 7th class students is 100 members data is raw data.
Raw
and
data.
particular information who is the absent, like 10 members is absent, that data will be the
Yes.
information. Yeah.
Information. Yes, right. We can. We don't want all the persons who are missing persons only we required. Okay.
Needed information. Yeah.
Needed information. See, that is a client require the. We don't want database having the multiple data. Sir. We don't require. For the current last month details only we required. We don't want to enter the year data because last 3 years data is available last 3 years. Okay, but we don't want. For example, simple employees is there. You can take the employees who are resigned the last month resigned persons required. Resignation person. Okay, employees almost the IT companies 2,000 employees is there. Who are resigned the last month only, means last month August month details we require. So that is called information. But we don't give the all the information. They don't want all the information. That is it good report or the bad report? Tell me. We can provide all the information. The client is asking the missing data, but we provided all the data. Is a good report or bad report?
Bad report.
Bad report.
Yes,
Bad report.
That is a good. So here also, that's why parameter client asking we require the sometimes they need all the data also. That time we require some parameter, because all time we cannot get the at a time report. Once we develop the report, we cannot modify it. So future purpose we require that's why parameter. See, sir, we have the some option is the parameter section. What is the purpose of the parameter? Sir, whatever you want, you require the May month also. If you want May data also, we require separately, and June, August separate month wise data also available, sir. Based on the parameter, you can click on the parameter. You can select the which month is required. We need 2 months data also. 2 months data required. You can select 2 months data and get the apply the button, automatically you'll get the data. So that is the option of the available. That is we can call it a prompt. In OTBI report we can call it a prompt, and BAP reports we can call it a parameter. Okay, you got my point? That's why prompt is a very important, and BAP reports we can call a parameters required. So in future purpose we retrieve all the data, but we have the some option, restrict option is there. Filtering the data prompt by using the prompt and OTBI reports. So in the B unit, we don't want all the B unit, particular B unit. Hyderabad require the B unit name. So according to Hyderabad required, say Here create the prompt. So here there is no option at all. So okay. Look at here. So here particular BU required. US one. Apply. One second. Open the report. Here our report particular. If you want all, you can select all. Click on the all. We'll get it. You need a particular the B unit. Anyone. It is a data available. You can get it. Or else empty will get it. You can select it. Okay. Yes. Particular. So this is the output of the thing. Particular. We don't want all the things. This is called information. Okay. Any doubts as of now? This is the dashboard filter option. Dashboard prompt is available. Conditions. Okay. Here one more in future. Tomorrow we can continue the this one more filtering options. Some advanced concept is there. I'll explain to you. Okay. Continue tomorrow OTBI class also. This is a basic report information. We can add the multiple templates also. Multiple B unit. How to add the multiple? I'll show you. Click on the edit. Here, how to add multiple subject areas. Criteria. Simple. Add one more B unit. Sorry, one more subject area. Any subject area, you can take it. We can take it a procurement. Okay. Just you can add ledger name. Save it. Click on the result. No data. Okay. This way, two subject areas required. This is where we added the two subject areas. One is from payable B unit. One more subject area procurement. This is get it from procurement subject areas. Okay. Any doubt, guys? Okay, you can practice this OTBI sections. Tomorrow we can continue the classes. Okay. Okay.
Thanks, Venkat. We can
Thank
drop off now?
Yeah, you can drop off.
Okay, thank you.